Hey, good evening, everybody. This is my video watch list for May 26th. It's quite a lengthy one, but I'll whittle it down for the probably top 4 or 5 plays come pre-market tomorrow in TrickTrades, free day trading chat room, and screen share. The link will be provided in the box below. Okay, these are in no particular order. So let's get started here. BCRX. Definitely a big mover from today. Uh, Played this. It was, you know, there seemed to be a lot of manipulation going on. It's almost like this is going to be the next GLYC. So definitely didn't stick around too long in it. So basically, I'll be looking for two ways to play. Now, if it breaks highs, I'll definitely get long. But I think I'm a little more short biased on this. If this goes red, I'll risk on open green to red. MEIP. I'm looking to possibly get short into this big move to 2. That seems to be up quite a bit. I expect a pullback. If you look back on the daily, any type of big move, it does like to pull back. So I'll be looking to see what type of pre-market action it gets. It did trade more than enough shares today, so it's definitely up on volume. So we'll see what happens. Either the breaker of 2 or I can get short into 2. We'll just have to see what the price action brings in the morning. NETS. This is on all-time highs. Obviously, it's had a nice breakout, but this needs a pullback. So although it's up on all-time highs and there's no resistance in sight, I am still expecting some sort of a pullback. So I will be watching for this 27 area, possibly to get short into. So we'll just mark that here. So then it's there. Yeah, that's basically what I'll be watching for. So pretty much high of day, and it did close strong, but it's price action is really starting to speed up, and in my experience, when they do that, they like to pull back. SHLD was would have been a great stock to play today, long and short. So many opportunities. If you look here on this chart, it basically hit resistance at the 100 EMA. It just basically just about touched it, and then it pulled right back. So I mean that would have been a really nice catch, but we've been rather busy in chat, so I'm definitely going to miss some plays doing that. So I am looking. It did hold the 9 EMA on the daily. It's also kind of hovering around the 850 range. So if 850 holds, I might look for a continuation for a pop up. That's the play on that. PSTG. This is kind of one of the back pocket type of plays. Not really watching it too heavily. If you look on the daily here, the dip did get bought up. That's usually a pretty good sign, right? So it does need to break 12. If 12 can break, I will get long into that breakout, because the daily does look good for that. CAMT, this is definitely up. It doesn't really like to go too many days in a row green, especially big green days. It is up on volume. We'll watch this one. Just kind of see what it does. Another one kind of in the back pocket. I have better plays than that. So TDOC, looking for the 31 break on this one. I think it's been consolidating long enough in here, and it's wanting to break out. So I'll be looking for the 31 break. IDTI, this has gone straight up, and if you look at the daily chart, that's what it does. It loves to go up a few days and then drop, up, drop, up, drop, up, And now this is a big up, so I'm expecting at least a pull to the 9, which is would be a nice play. It'd be well over a point. So I'm hoping for a pop to get short into, or if it starts gapping down, risk on red to green. SPWH, I'm waiting patiently for the 6 break. That's what I'm waiting for on this. Would love to catch that 6 break, because I believe it'll be a nice move. It's a low enough float that we should get a powerful move to the upside if that 6 breaks. LPTH, I'm looking for the 25 break. 25 break with volume, and I believe this stock can definitely rip and do some damage. The only thing that kind of worries me about that is it's gone straight up with very minimal pullback with fair sized candles on the daily. TCS, I kind of like watching these plays that just gap up and then doji out when they trade in that really tight channel. So I'll be looking to get long over today's highs, or short, most likely if 550 needs to break. If 550 can't hold, I'll look to get short into it. But usually when they consolidate in dojis, I don't know. In my experience, they seem to want to push higher. And that's it for the video watch list for tonight. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment in the box below. And again, I'll leave the link to TrickTrades free day trading chat room and screen share. Both links will be provided below. You can also visit my my website as well. I'll leave that link as well. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.